Rob's gonna trim my hair. Okay, so he's wetting it. The ends, as you can see. If you do not have naturally straight hair, I would recommend having your hair completely wet. Or if you want to cut it dry, I guess, use whatever tools you need to make it straight. I don't know how to do that because I've never had to. Okay, so he's gonna section very meticulously, and my hair dries really fast because it's very low porosity. That sounded stupid because it's not porous, meaning it's healthy. Yeah, that works. So I'm gonna secure it myself, not very successfully. And he's still, oh, as you can see, we don't have a men's comb. So in lieu of the men's comb or hair cutting comb, we're using the Mason Pearson because she never lets us down. As usual, he's being really freaking careful and really meticulous. Okay, finally taking a snip. There's my rock star. You got this. Normally you would want to sit up tall in the chair, but I'm used to like leaning over slightly. It just makes it easier for whoever's trimming it. And this is my first trim in a long time. Wow, he's going crazy. What was that, a 1/16 of an inch? No, it made a difference. Okay, now I'm starting to feel confident. I can do this. I'm a rock star. Why can't I cut hair too? And why don't I friggin' keep spraying her until the whole shirt is wet? So he asked me to put my head up so he can see if it's straight. And it was. So time for the sides. And he's like, oh, did I leave a piece out? Well, we'll find out. Time to do the sides. Now would be a good time to pick up your head, Trina. Okay. You heard me. You beautiful haired bitch. Now keep that head up. Come on. I know it's been like an hour in real life. Stay awake. Sorry we didn't angle the camera down a little more. No, don't do that with the clip in. Alright, good. Mason Pearson really is a multi-purpose tool. That must have been the side I slept in the night before, because that part looks, that side looks a little more like, has more creases. Wow. The hair near the scalp really is looking so much thicker. I can't wait till that's like all the way down to there, because right now my ends are not quite as thick as I'd like them to be. So we're doing the final snips, nothing fancy. I usually get a U-cut, but Rob wasn't up for that. Okay, so let's see. Let me get the comb. It's so short. I'm just kidding. Let me make this a little higher. Make it a little higher. I have to inspect it. Okay, he did a good job. Feeling the ends. Sorry if they're not in the video. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's better. Oops.
It's hard to tell because you got the flip up there.
I know. The bevel. Stop spraying me.
Okay, and the length actually even a little shorter on this side. There a little bit.
Want to do a snip?
Very nice.
Well, when it's wet, it's, oh, they're not wet. My hair dries pretty fast. Then you have to spray that side too, or it'll look shorter. tiny centimeter.
It's just widen it out a little bit. Say about that much.
Yeah, that's perfect. I'm so scared I'm gonna move. I'm like,
Yeah, and next thing you know.
I know. All right, let's check the back.
Just flip it all back. Okay, so I can see. Don't move. Don't, I said, what part of don't move?
Oh, I didn't know what you said.
I said don't move.
Sorry. Wow, that is perfect. Damn, did he do a good job or what? Oh my God, it feels so much healthier. I can run my fingers right down. I wanted to grow it to my thighs, but that might take some time. I'd rather have healthy hair I can just run my fingers through. Wow, you took off just the perfect amount. Hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful evening or afternoon or morning. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.